Ladies and gentlemen, I am back with Mr. Muhammad Ismail from Pakistan, who is an accomplished information technology instructor and lecturer, and we will now be discussing in depth the offering that he is providing to us on Udemy called the Front-End Web Development Niche. Please go ahead, if you can, Mr. Ismail, and describe in detail what this outstanding course is all about for our global learning population.
Thank you very much for introducing me in the learners of yours and online. My name is Muhammad Ismail. I am software engineer and web developer. Last 5 years, I am teaching on Udemy, where have I published about 35 courses on Udemy. In this course, we discuss about the front-end development.
Can we please continue our very exciting discussion, or has the signal been lost on the internet?
Yes, the front-end web development, it is the great course I have created about it. In this course, we discuss about detail of web development, how help the learners web development. In this course, they have many sections. In first section, we have discussed about the HTML. HTML is the fundamental of websites, where you learn about structure of websites, how can create structure of websites like HTML. You can learn about the structures, how design the step by step of website. After learning the HTML, you can learn about the CSS. CSS help you design your website, and this section very useful about the design your website and make useful your website. And CSS is make your website good, useful and beautiful. All events and websites having which help you CSS. And third one section is JavaScript. JavaScript is very useful for nowadays. It is the web applications and very demanding. The course I have all these courses separate, and in the web development course I have included all section here. In JavaScript section, you learn A to Z about JavaScript, fundamentals of JavaScript, how start the JavaScript, how can install step by steps, and also including the coding in this course, which help you practice your learning and improve you step by steps you follow these. And also included WordPress section. It's help you, it is WordPress is content management system. It help you know about how easy can create your websites. And other is I have included some section of search engine optimization. Search engine optimization help you to rank your website. There are few strategies like how find keywords, how do search engine optimization, off page, on page, technical SEO, audit your page, content writing, this link building. These strategies have applied on this course. And I also have projects, like I have 3 4 projects in this course. I have developed A to Z, first to final, how can create you your core project on this front end web developments. This is specially designed for who lovers to know about the web development, how start their career in web development industry, because the every business today have a website. So it is the very great opportunity for learners to join this course. You can easily join our course in link below description. You can find discounted this course unlinked. You can join it. If you join this course, you can ask me, it is lifetime available. You can contact me any query related this course. You can ask me. Thank you very much, Jack, to introduce the this course to learners. If you have any query, you can ask me.
This is very important that we continue to promote the knowledge and skills concerning the information technology field. People who have the requisite skills to use computers efficiently and effectively have a resolute and very proud ability and capability to engage in an extensive profession with regards to the information technology field. And by enhancing our knowledge and skills in these areas, we can only be better, and we can also encourage and invite, excite, engage, and support others in our learning journey destinations. And it's not always the destination that's the most important. It's the steps and intricacies that we are taking as we learn new material and incorporate it rapidly into our own personal and professional portfolios. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. It was my distinct honor and pleasure to work with Mr. Muhammad Ismail directly concerning the courses offered on the Udemy platform, and we will be inviting, exciting, engaging, and supporting each other in the very near future. Thank you very much for your time. Please explore our opportunities and invite others.